there, I'm here with Jay and Merv from Borgford Equipment Services Inc., based in North Bay. Now, when people think Borgford Equipment Services, what should they think?
They should think full service, heavy equipment, supplies, sales, rentals. We're a full service, one-stop shop for rebuild, repair, heavy equipment, construction, supplies, and parts.
Yeah, what more can you ask for? Now, in terms of the sales aspect of things, we're talking to a lot of people here at the show, but outside of the show, who are you looking to connect with? Who are these clients that might not know that they need you?
I think in general, there's a lot of equipment out there. It's how to be better than what your competitors are.
Yep.
And we're backed up by service and parts, which is key, because you could buy any piece of equipment on the market today. If you don't have that full package, you're not going to get very far.
Yeah.
That's what made our name Borgford one of the leading companies around North Bay.
Now, before we leave, I got to address the elephant in the room. What is this sweet ride that you've brought here?
So this is a brand new product. It's built by JCB. This is battery operated. You get 5 hours of runtime on this machine here. There's 3 different ways that you can charge it up. It's a product that is backed up by service and parts. And of course, #1 service from Borgford Equipment in North Bay. And we service all of Ontario and all of Canada for that matter.
Well, thank you both so much for talking to me today. That was really informative. And if you're wanting to get to chat with them more, now you know how to contact them. And I think you might want to take one of these out for a spin. You can't just find one of these anywhere. So thank you so much. And I think you'll be getting some calls.
Thank you
Very much.
We really appreciate it.